just agreed on a deal with one of my close brothers.
Oh yeah, bro, you worked your magic with this
sure,
one, man.
You know it, man.
Yeah.
Told you, man, I work diligently no matter who it is.
No doubt.
No matter who, man. Appreciate you for coming by.
Oh yes, I appreciate you, man.
Just sold my bro one. This one back in detail. Where's the key? Look at this bad boy.
The automatic start. Dang, $100,000, $100,000.
Tell me if you guys can hear it. Whew. Alright, so what I'm doing right now is I am taking the paperwork to the client, taking the paperwork to him, taking the vehicle to him, test driving it there, coming back, so the process will be pretty simple. Get in the car. Get in the car. No, it's for
the computer and met Ronald. I had a party, did y'all interview before? She said it was loud.
All right, I got one for you.
Good evening. I would like to share my experience. I was working with Marcus Harbin. He did an outstanding job getting me in a brand new vehicle. And when I say that he went above and beyond from even my highest expectations, I mean, this is a longtime friend, and I was not expecting the customer service that he brought to this table today. So y'all come check him out, come see him. He'll get you in what you need and what you want in a timely fashion. So come check him out. Again, Marcus Harbin.
Appreciate it.
I was working with Marcus Harbin. Y'all need to come check him out. Marcus Harbin Auto Sales.
Think about them late nights.
Get you in.
Try to Vegas, cross the state lines. Finally did it, it just take time. Just how we share high. My only goal is get this cake right. And what they say, right? You on your own is what you ain't like. She was out there every day, right? Trying to push forward.
Oh yeah, bro, you work your magic with this
sure,
one, man.
You know it, man.
Yeah.
Told you, man, I work diligently no matter who it is.
No doubt.
No matter who, man. Appreciate you for coming by.
Oh yes, I appreciate you, man. My VO? Yeah, I need to take a shower. I'm sweating. Sweating from excitement, man.
I'll cut that part out. This is a guy that fades me up. Yep. Take care of the people that take care of you.
Too much shit.
Second deal here. Man, it gives you a little rush when you're making deals. So for all of you all who was wondering what was I doing for the 8 years I was in Edmond, Oklahoma, this is it. This is it. Working, trying to outwork the work. There it is. Oh.
one suite, but I do have a suite here on the side. It's not one.
Hey, let's end the video. Let's end the video.
So guys, we're gonna figure out what is this horrible place like.
It's just a nice place.
Yeah.
It has something here, but we're not in I'm gonna end with it was a great day, and we're just gonna treat ourselves. This girl for being good. This girl for being good, and I love it. Work hard, play hard.
Alright, check out Marcus Harvin's auto sales.
So we are playing the guessing game. He is playing with pizza dough right now. This is what we're about to eat. Isn't it kind of crazy to think about? That's what they gave her to play with. Alright, so right now we are doing a vote on who makes the best. I want you all to vote. Who makes the best out of this pizza dough? Alright, she's just about done with hers. And it's a smiley face. Okay. Okay, I see. Look, okay. My turn. Okay.
Guys, my dad is about to be done. I think.
What do y'all think? Vegan pizza. Don't tell nobody. Of course, my daughter's nervous about it, so she's just gonna keep playing with it down. I messed up on the order and then I'll fix
This
it.
is pizza. You see the difference? That's cooked and this is not cooked.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna make my own. I'm gonna make my.
Definitely turned out pretty awesome. What'd you say? Would you say it turned out awesome? We're not complaining.